These unhappy employees are who we call today as bandits. These bandits are not treated properly. No, this is a sincere call to the Nigerian government. Let us modernize our mining industry. We don't have a problem with you bringing in China, America, France to come and mine, but they should offer good condition to our people.
So guys, let's listen to this lady, this Almajiri lady. Let us listen to her and hear all the secrets she's going to leak on this video. I'm telling you, you're gonna be surprised on what you're going to hear from this lady's mouth. Hey, a lot is going on in Nigeria. Oh. Okay, we'll talk later after watching the video.
Those are wondering why churches have been attacked, mosques have been attacked by bandits. There are statements these forest rangers are giving. You sometimes wonder why when they are taken to police stations, they are released. It is because, as I said in one of my previous videos, they are employees working for their employers. And these employers are not people who are here based on maybe their own accord. They are supported by international government to come and mine. These unhappy employees are who we call today as bandits. These bandits are not treated properly. No, this is a sincere call to the Nigerian government. Let us modernize our mining industry. We don't have a problem with you bringing in China, America, France to come and mine, but they should offer good condition to our people. Look at, for example, let me give you a very, very painful example. You would recruit young boys just because they are nomads, just because they know the road to where you will get your minerals. You will recruit young boys who are at the age of 18, 15, 16, 18 to 21, 22. You will keep them in forests for 1 year, 2 years without getting them exposed to society. These young boys are carrying guns. These young boys are carrying phones. So when they finish watching nonsense things on their phones and become horny, and because they are not living in good conditions, they start eyeing people that are passing by from the city. This is something we don't talk about. There are times that you hear that these bandits will raid a village and rape all the women there. You'll be wondering why. What kind of animal behavior is this? It is the conditions that these people leave these forest rangers. If you know that you want to come and take the resources from the land, if you know you want to come and use our people to find your terrains, to secure your mining activity, please and please, give them good condition of living. Treat them like human beings. Satisfy their own side of your agreement so that this thing will not be spilling into cities. Sometimes these boys or these men want to make statements. They want to be seen. That's why they're doing all these atrocities, attacking innocent people. They just want to be seen. Mining is not a bad thing. It should be done properly. The lives of people are at stake. These bandits, to me, I call them forest rangers. These forest rangers need to be treated properly. When you look at them, you see a level of confidence in them. But in your eyes, you call them terrorists. Well, they know what they represent. Because in their hands are knowledge that you, the professor that is there, do not have. They're just a salary earner that sit down with books reading from morning to night. You don't know when the next salary will come. These people hold the wealth of nations in their possession. They know the whereabouts of the best mining fields in this country. So these people should be treated right. The terrorists, as you call them, they need to be treated right. If you want to use their knowledge, their nomadic knowledge, to gain your path to knowing the terrains where there are mineral resources, then you need to pay them well, so that we, the people living in urban areas, can have peace. There is a saying that says, what happens in the forest remain in the forest. No, the forester has phones. The forester has AK-47. It will not remain in the forest anymore. It's starting to spill into the city. These boys are horny, I would say. And they're going after villages where they see girls and all that. Provide them good living conditions. Let them bring their women to come and stay with them instead of rampaging nearby villages and raping women. This is raw truth. It might be difficult for you to hear, but it is the raw truth.
So you've had her, right? Nigeria don't enter one chance. So this one na real one chance. Now Nigeria enter. See where our leaders carry us reach. They are mining gold. They are mining uranium. They are mining lithium. They are oh my God. So we have all this in this Nigerian forest. No wonder all those politicians, all those northerners, this is northern politicians. Anyway, not all of them though, but some of them. This is how they recruited these people to be guiding the forest for them. Chai! So that nobody will near there. Nobody will near the forest to know what is in the forest. Now, these people, they have now grown wing. They have grown wing that they can't even stop them anymore. You see? They created these people. They created these people, you know, for political reason, in order to mine gold, in order to mine natural resources in the bush, in Sambisa forest, in all those forests in the north. You know, everybody is enjoying the oil in the south. No, the whole Nigeria is drinking the oil from the south, but the gold from the north, they are using insecurity to mine it by themselves. Hey, can you imagine this kind of selfishness? Selfish interest, highest level of selfishness. That is what they have shown. You see, sometimes you see that some people showing on social media where white people, they fly plane all the way from their country straight to the bush. We think that is a joke, that maybe it's just a joke, cartoon or whatever, not knowing that it's true. You see all what this lady exposed here. You see, they are nomads. They are those people we call bandits. Those people we call terrorists. They are forest rangers. They are the ones that know where everything is. Those people are good. Those people we call bandits are good. They are even richer and better than all those professionals, that carry file every day to work, 9 to 5 job. You can see. Hey, nothing wey human being no go see o. See this almajiri. See this almajiri. See what she spewing out from her mouth. Chai. Well, Nigeria, una don hear na. Una don hear am o. Una don hear am. So the ball is on a court. The ball is on your court now to know. She have already alerted everybody on what is in the bush. No wonder the other man, Gumi, is saying that those boys are guiding our bushes. So if they don't guide the bush, who is going to go inside the bush to take anything? If they identify, if it's a state, so must it be those nomads, those people that are rearing cow? Must it be those nomads that are moving in the bush? Must it be them that will find out where we have our natural resources? Why is it that the natural resources in the north, only northern people are the people mining it? They are the only people taking it. They are the only ones that are harvesting it by themselves. They carry insecurity, surround everywhere so that nobody will near there. You know that there is no way rain will fall, that the ground will not know that the rain is falling. Nigeria have gold, but they have not been saying that, we derive a lot of money from gold. It's only oil we are hearing, because oil is in the south. Everybody put mouth. Even some of them in the north, they all have oil well in the south. People in the south don't even have oil well, but plenty of them in the north, they all. Why are they so selfish like this? Why? Why are some of them? I won't say all, because there are some people that don't even know what they are doing. Hey. Well, let me not make this video to be long. I will stop here. Thank God everything is exposing itself. They are exposing everything by themselves. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe on the channel. Thanks. See you guys. Bye-bye.